What if you go back to the ancient Persia with air conditioner day 1? You walked through village, everyone shocked they didn't see anything, that before you show them how it works. Crowd gathers, feel cool air, they became happy. Day 3, you tell them features of accient scientists shocked and amazed. Children are also happy and dancing. Day 4, you royals also feel cool inside Royal Sharia Palace. They smile, night feels comfortable, and villagers also sleep in front of air conditioner, so subscribe and like if you want to